I'm in the Delph in Lower Earley today. This 2-bedroom house has just come onto the market. It's very well presented throughout, with the benefit of being in a traffic-free position, overlooking a green, and with parking and garage to the rear of the property. I'm just going to take you on a walkthrough tour so you can get a bird's eye view of the property. So as we walk through the front door of the property, we come into a small entrance lobby with lounge beyond. The property is really well presented throughout. Hopefully it shows up on the video, but it's definitely worth coming to have a look at this property. Really is ideal for first-time buyers or investment landlords. Nothing really to do here other than make it your own. The lounge and kitchen, as you're seeing, is open plan. Makes for a really nice, light, airy property. Yeah, on a hot day like today, it feels really nice and cool in here. The kitchen was refitted a few years ago, and as you can see, we've got a range of eye and base level high gloss units with a laminate effect flooring. Plenty of space for everything, and with double doors here taking you out into the garden. As you'll see there, nice sizable patio area, as well as lawn, shed at the far end, with gate taking you out to the parking area, and there is also a garage in block as well. So then looking back at the lounge, carpeted, carpet's all in very good condition. Really nothing to be done here at all. So on the first floor, you'll see you've got these nice oak doors for all the rooms. So this is the master bedroom, so a really good sized double. The property looks out over an open green, which is really pleasant. Let's see if I can give you a bit of a shot of that. There we go. So a nice room with some built-in storage. These wardrobe units just here now are ones that the owners installed. They may be prepared to leave those. So the second bedroom, currently used as an office, but comfortably would accommodate a good sized child single bed. View out towards the garden, and as I spin around again, these oak doors that I mentioned, and there is a double cupboard there housing the boiler and hot water tank, I believe, and there's also a storage cupboard behind the door. And back out onto the landing, you can see now this is the bathroom. So again, nicely tiled, white suite, very well presented. Property's all double glazed and gas central heating as well. So again, just taking you out into the rear garden. Got a nice lawned area. As I said, with garden shed and access there out to the parking area. Just spinning round, just to show you the rear of the property. So that concludes everything with the tour today. If you'd like further details, do please get in touch with the office. We'll be happy to answer any questions.